Hi traveler, welcome to my channel. This time we will visit Pekandangan Beach, the starting point of Rinjani 100 Ultra 2025 event. It is located at Pekandangan, Belanting village, Sambalia Subdistrict, East Lombok. The Rinjani 100 Ultra 2025 is a premier international trail running event held from May 16 to 18, 2025, in the breathtaking landscapes of Mount Rinjani National Park, Lombok, Indonesia. This year marks its 13th edition, featuring a range of challenging courses. 162 kilometers, the ultimate endurance challenge, with a 55-hour cutoff time. 100 kilometers, starting from Senaru, this course offers a rugged ascent to the summit. 60 kilometers, also beginning in Senaru, this route is designed for seasoned trail runners. 36 kilometers, a peak-focused course starting from Sembalun. 27 kilometers, a shorter, yet demanding route, also commencing from Sembalun. The event has attracted over 1,100 participants from 46 countries, including a significant number from Malaysia, Singapore, China, and France. This diverse international turnout underscores the event's global appeal and the challenging nature of the Rinjani trails. Runners can expect a variety of terrains, with the 100 kilometers course featuring approximately 9,660 meters of elevation gain and 9,100 meters of descent, and the 60 kilometers course offering around 5,130 meters of elevation gain and 4,580 meters of descent. Both courses are timed with strict cutoff limits to ensure safety and fairness. For those planning to participate or support the event, accommodations and transportation services are available through local providers like Green Rinjani, offering options ranging from budget-friendly lodges to deluxe hotels, ensuring convenience and comfort throughout the event. Whether you're aiming for a personal best or simply wish to experience the stunning vistas of Mount Rinjani, the Rinjani 100 Ultra 2025 promises an unforgettable adventure for all trail running enthusiasts.
I've been treading water for some time, picking up the parts of all my life. Didn't get to solve it this time. How am I to break apart? Don't tell me why we can't collide. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn.
See you for the next trip. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.